Sushant, if you want to connect and want me to make a video, give me Queen of Wands. Hi guys, and I thought that today Sushant will connect. I had that idea in my mind already, but yes, he did connect, and he gave the Queen of Wands when I asked him, "Do you want to connect?" And there is a card of High Priestess along with Queen of Wands, and it feels like there is a lot that is going to come into light in next few days or next few months. It feels like High Priestess is somebody who's kind of hiding a document. So there are some documents, there are some things that have been hidden for so long, they are going to come out. Everything that was behind the veil, everything that was kept behind the veil. And if you remember, High Priestess card has come in last two readings as well, where he showed some connection with the water, some connection with people who were hiding documents and things, and all of that is going to come out. So whatever has happened now and today especially, there is a lot of connections that are going to lead us to King of Swords. And it feels like these documents or these things that are going to come out are going to lead towards sorting this case. And I'm going to ask him whether he would want to answer the questions that are there that you guys have given, or he just want to give his like he wants to just say what he wants to say, because at times his energy is very quick, it just comes and goes. Sushant, what do you want to say? So, the cards that I have now, if you see, there is Devil and Empress, and basically this means that there are some more some things that are going to come to light. So there are two things. One, everything that was hidden so far, everything that was kept in away from us so far is going to come into light, because there's growth in Empress card. Also, there could be more arrests that are going to happen. So next few days we are going to see some arrests. Also, it feels like some people who have been kept as hostages that I've been saying from a while. It seems like probably some of those are going to come out. So the some arrest, some people coming out, and I feel that these hostages could be people like females, because there is a masculine feminine energy, there is a card of Empress. But this means that some things are going to come out. Now if we look at these cards like this, it means that people who have been living a comfortable life, they have been enjoying their life by hurting others, they have been thinking that nothing can harm them, they are over and above everything, these are the people who are going to kind of get caught now. They are going to suffer for what they have done. Now they are going to get into this devil, they're going to kind of get into this zone of devil, where they thought that devil is going to protect them, but they're going to be now suffering for the things that they have been doing and the things that they have done to other people. So there are more arrests that we'll see in a while. So, Sushant, do you want to give answers to the questions? Then give me Queen of Wands or Hierophant. Sushant, if you want to give answers to the questions that people have sent you, give me Queen of Wands or Hierophant. So these are too many cards, and I think Sushant has given these cards because though it has Hierophant in it, but they're more than like 10 cards. And basically Sushant has given these cards because I think there are things that he wants to say today about what is happening. And these cards, as much as I see, these cards are not about what has already happened. These cards are about what is happening and where is it leading. And if I look at these cards, they are saying that already one step has been taken, and we know that there is a resignation that has happened. So one step has been taken. There is something, the truth, the sword of truth has now been kept high, and this is going to lead to a lot of more things. And if I see the cards the way they are, this is going to lead to one, like I said, I again have this very strong feeling that his body is still somewhere, and it was not him who was cremated. That was definitely not him. And with this card, with Four of Swords card, where you see a person kind of lying on the coffin, and I read or heard somewhere that his coffin, he had a coffin, and it's also missing somewhere. Where that coffin is probably where his body is. But the cards are saying that now is the time when slowly the steps are going to be taken, where people, one, lot of people are going to jail. Second, people or truth are going to kind of come out. I feel that somewhere we'll see also the truth about him not being cremated is also going to come out loud and strong. There are steps that will be taken moving forward. There could be some kind of fall of a government, because I feel that that's also there, because some kind of authority is going to take a decision. And one out of the three is already probably gone, and the rest two are also going to be given the final warning. And hopefully very very soon we'll see them also going, because there is going to be a lot of struggle, there is going to be a lot of things that are going to happen in this point in time, where authorities or the higher authorities kind of interrupt, and we'll see things happening. We see these two people kind of walking away or coming out of something. So that is where out of the box there are things, there are proofs that are going to come out. We have been put like blindfolds on our eyes. They are trying to kind of but we know it all, right? There are two swords that are still kept high, we know it all, but we are struggling within ourselves because we've formed groups, we've closed ourselves to truth, we've closed ourselves to reality. And he's still saying that, guys, stand up for the truth, stand your ground, don't fight, don't get into this blindfolded fights that are being created between you. And there are still heartbreaks that are going to happen, there are still things that are going to happen, but I feel that this heartbreak will now will have to do with his body. It will have to do with the actual truth of who was cremated that day, who was the one who was killed and cremated that day, when we think or when we see that he was cremated. So that's basically not the truth. And if I look at these cards in another way, it feels like we are moving to a zone where slowly and gradually all the blindfolds, all the negativity, all the things that have been done to kind of hide the truth are going to come out. The truth of sword is already out, is already up, and it is going to lead to the truth to come out. So Shant, is there anything that you want to tell? And when I was asking this question, there was nothing on my mind, but I asked the question that a lot of people are thinking that CBI is not on the right track. CBI is not doing anything. So is CBI doing anything? Are they on the right track? Yes, absolutely they are. They are on the right track. They are doing things, and very, very soon I feel that they are going to come out with announcing something. And I feel that this could also be, though this is like 1 and 6, so this could be July, because in the beginning when I did my first reading, Sushant said that up to 1 year is going to take for the truth to start coming out, or for the truth to come out, for the justice to happen. And I feel that maybe even before that, there could be some communication from the CBI that might come. CBI is trying to just kind of gather all the proofs, but yes, they are on the right track. Undoubtedly, there is something that they have found, there is something that they know, and some kind of evidences that they have, but it is difficult for them to kind of immediately come out. So they are soon going to find some evidences, and there could be that in around a week or so, they find something very, very strong against the King of Swords, or we might see King of Swords kind of getting into some legal thing out of the box suddenly, and we'll know that okay, this person is King of Swords because something legal is going to come up against him. Sushant, can you tell us if all these things have a direct role, the cops that are arrested and the things that are happening? And because these cards kind of, the cards hit these cards, I'm going to pick up these cards and see what he's saying. And yes, absolutely, it says that it has a role. It is showing, it is kind of going to point light or bring light into Sushant's case, because a lot of things that were done, they thought they are hidden deep. They thought that nobody is going to find them out, nobody is going to reach there. But now with these cases opening up, with these things opening up, we are slowly and gradually moving to that zone where everybody involved is going to come out. We already have seen some things coming out of water. 3 of Wands is a card, ships coming in. We have already seen something coming out of the water. There is more that is going to come out, and again I'm saying there is more that is going to come out of the water. And for sure there is connection of close ones also that is going to come out. It is very, very fast movement we'll see now. There's judgment that is going to happen. There's some decision that is going to be made for these two cops. So some decision will happen for them, and when the decision happens for them, that decision is also going to bring out a lot of truth. So this decision is also going to bring out all the 3 people involved, all the 3 groups I would say involved in this, and they're going to bring out the exact truth or reality of Sushant's case as well. So definitely these arrests and things that are happening right now are going to help Sushant's case. Again, I wanted to ask about Sushant's dog, because I got many questions about, is Fudge alive? What happened? We think that Fudge is not alive anymore. So there are a lot of questions that I received, and I want to just ask Sushant, is Fudge alive? Is Fudge alive? and see the card that I have, and at this point in time my dogs are barking really bad, but the card that I have is Temperance, and this means that I don't feel that Fudge is gone. There's an angel who's protecting Fudge for sure. There is somebody who's some energy that is protecting Fudge, and like I said, that Fudge is going to be helpful in moving one step forward in this case. Now I'm not saying that he'll be a witness and he'll be an evidence, but somehow he's going to play a role in moving forward in this case. And Temperance card, I can't interpret this card as a death card, and this is after death, so this is basically number 14, and this says that I don't feel that, yeah, he's replaced, that's for sure. Somebody has taken him away, he's replaced, but he's not gone, guys. You don't have to feel sad that he's gone. The dog that is there is not Fudge, that is for sure as per the cards, but or as per Sushant, but Fudge is not dead. He's very much alive. So I asked him that how many people were murdered on 14th June, because I know that he was not the one who was murdered in 14th June. He've said that many a times, and I started seeing the death card in around July, so I know that till July he was somewhere definitely. But how many people died on 14th June? And I got Ace of Pentacle. Ace of Pentacle is a number 1 card. It is a 1 card, 1 number, and it is also somewhere outside the home, but it feels that 14 June there was one person who died. There is not more than one. 14, because I said specifically 14 June. I'm going to ask about 13th June as well, but 14th there was one person who died, or one person who was killed, not more than that. So there could be that this whole killing spree that happened in from 11, 12, 13, 14, or during that time there were people who were killed before and after. So on 13th June, Sushant, can you tell us on 13th June how many people were killed? What happened on 13th June? So now you see the cards are somewhere very, very clear that he was distressed. He was thinking that some harm is going to be made to him, because there is the 9 of Swords. He was worried about some kind of harm. He was fearful about some kind of harm, because he was about to communicate something. He wanted to communicate something. There's a card of Magician. He definitely wanted to communicate something, and he was expecting a harm to be done to him, because he thought that it will be, but the way the cards are, they are kind of showing that harm that was supposed to be done to him, it did not come from the people that he was expecting it to come from. Second, it also feels that there were another 2 people who were with him on that day, because he was definitely expecting some kind of threat that was there. He was expecting some kind of threat, but there were 2 other people who were there, and if you see, these 2 people are kind of coming out of the house, or coming out of a particular place, and it feels like there were 2 people who were there, and maybe on 13th there were 2 people, one male and one female, who were harmed. And here also, if you see, there is one person who's giving instructions, and there are 2 people who are actually kind of listening to those instructions, but it feels like there were more than one people who were involved. And on 13th it feels like some people were kind of harmed, and it doesn't feel like it is like inside the house or inside the building, but it feels like there are more than in around 2 people, one male, one female, that were harmed or killed on 13th of June, and there was one who was harmed on 14th of June. So in around those times. So I asked him, is there anything else that he wants to say? And while I was saying that, in my head I heard that pick up another set of card, and I was just shuffling this, so he gave me that he gave me that instruction that, okay, listen to what I'm saying in your head. So yes, I will pick up another set of cards to ask him questions. Okay, so I asked him that what do you want to tell us, is how much more do we have to wait for justice? And it took me a while to kind of come to that question. That's why I had to shuffle a little more, but I did ask him, how much more time do you think we need to wait for justice, and what is happening, what do we need to know, what is happening, how much time more we need to wait? And the card that I got was deep knowing. It's a card that says deep knowing, and this card basically says that inside us we all know what is the truth, we all know what is happening. This is a card number 43. So I feel that next 7 days are very, very crucial, and he wants me to read this from the book, so I will read it. The card says, intuition is the faculty that allows you to enter into a dialogue with source and consciousness that you are a part of, what cannot see with naked eyes. It's perplexing that people are taught to ignore this natural capacity to navigate their journeys, to access their inner guidance. Know that you have the ability to read in between the lines, find all the truth that was missing when the story was told. This deep knowing allows you to open the door to wisdom far greater than what is available in the limitations of human experience. You are given the information that may make no sense whatever to the logical mind or five senses, but which is 100% correct and true. The trick is to listen and then act accordingly. You are now invited into the sacred dialogue of deep knowing. So tune in to trust your vibes. They will be right. Ask and you will receive the answers from unusual sources. And you are receiving that, guys. We are getting answers from many unusual resources, many unusual sources as to what happened on that particular day. The story that was told to us was not correct. The story that was told to us was all just a fake story. And now different sources, different people, different situations are telling us the things that were the gaps in between the lines. That was the gap that was not told to us. We are all kind of unfolding that, and this is what this card is saying, that probably in next 7 days that gap is to become even more filled. There will be more information, there will be more things that will come our way, and that is actually filling in the gap, and that's actually leading to truth. So we are deep inside us, we already know what it is. Deep inside us, we already know that he was killed. Deep inside us, we already know that who are the people who are involved, and slowly and gradually these things are going to be unfolded very, very soon. So I asked him any other message, and then I said government, but I didn't want to say much. And then the card of go the distance came. This card says, to bring your dream to life, you must think long term and pay no attention to the fluctuations in the current of your experience. This card basically says that so there is no need to fear the occasional obstacle. Life is not a sprint. This card is a reminder that you have endurance, strength, and fortitude to carry you all the way. Remain true to yourself. Your authenticity alone will keep you in alignment with the energy of miracles. What is yours will never be withheld from you. Remember that. And this card somewhere is saying that we have the strength. There is definitely a race, or there is definitely a destination that we have to reach. We have not reached it yet, but because I said government, it feels like whatever is happening right now, there is a very small distance for us to cover now. This is card this card number is 47, so it is 11 number, and I kind of feel that by 11th April there is a lot of things that are probably going to come to light. There is very small distance now. This cheetah has covered a lot of distance, and it is almost about to reach, and we are also about to reach that goal. And if we've been thinking like it is a never ending story, because this is 10 number, we've been thinking when this 10 will happen, this is a never ending story. It is not, guys. It's time for the story to end now, and it is time for the truth to come out now. I wanted to ask him the message for people who are missing him a lot, who are thinking about him all the time. And cards that I got, one first was King of Unicorns, and this says you are blessed with majesty, vision, and power. So definitely there's a lot of vision, that is a lot of clarity that is coming to us. I'll not say much about the king though. Another card is service, and it says service with an open heart is the key to satisfaction. And this card says be of service to others, be good to others, do good things to others, feel others' pain. It is very important. And also this card, there is another card which is of magic. This says there is magic around you, so expect excitement and joy. And the card is saying a new door is opening for you. So guys, definitely one, be careful, be good to others, be of service to others, be nurturing. And at the same time, if you see these cards, these are 18 and 28, magic and service. So this is number 9 and number 10. And opening is a card number 22, so which is basically if I take them as a date, it feels like April, 4th month. And then King of Unicorn is a card number 6. So it feels like 6 is tomorrow. From tomorrow to it feels like by 11th, 10th and 11th, lot of progress is going to happen. Lot of things are going to come out, and we'll see a lot of things changing. Definitely there is a page of wands, and there is information flowing, or there is something, communication that is happening, and there is already, it feels like probably already CBI and these authorities or these agencies have the knowledge. They already know the truth. They have all the information that they need. It's already there. Now it's just a matter of time for them to be very, very sure that nobody can kind of run away, and then they will probably flow the information out. ask the question that what happened today, is it going to lead us somewhere? And it said that yes, King of Pentacles, so definitely the connection or the money connection that was used, the money that was used to kind of keep the mouths shut, keep people shut, keep stop them from kind of speaking or saying things, that is going to get over now. We've seen that in the cards before also, that when that money flow is going to stop, then the people are going to kind of come up and speak, and that is what is happening with these actions that are taken now. I wanted to ask him the question, and even before I could ask, the cards came out. I wanted to ask him that when will we see a direct connection with SSR case? When will we see government or people or authorities talking about that? Okay, Sushant was murdered, or this is the case of Sushant, and this is what happened. We are not seeing that at all. The cards said that it is definitely a very, very slow progress. There are definitely a lot of things that are kept to kind of keep things under the rug. There are a lot of things that are kept to kind of keep people shut, and they are still doing it. But the card are, because there is 8 and 9 number, and then king is usually number 14, so I kind of feel that I have this feeling that by from tomorrow, like 6th of April to 11th of April, there are a lot of things that are going to open up. We'll see a direct connection with this whole thing with the Sushant's case. So we'll probably get to know that yes, Sushant was murdered, and we know it already, but from the authorities. But we'll have to have patience, guys. That is very, very important. We'll have to have patience. He's saying that in 21 everything is going to be sorted, and there are slow but steady steps that we need to take, and everything is going to come out. Is there anything else that you want to say, or that is it? Sushant, is there anything else that you want to say? So I have this feeling that his energy is almost left. This is what he wanted to tell us, and this is why he came. But I still kind of feel like that I should take out animal energy card, because I felt that he wanted us to listen to something. So Sushant, what is it that you want to tell us from these cards? What is it that we should know? Sushant, okay, so the cards kind of slipped pretty far. There are two cards. There is an eagle and there is a giraffe, and we all know what this means, right? Eagle eye. There is nothing that is hidden from the eagle eye. It is a very, very clear. They can see, eagle can see things from far, far away. And if you see a giraffe, he has such a long neck that he can see things from far, far away. We are not away from the truth, guys. It is very, very clear. It is very, very evident. We are going to see everything real fast now. Everything is going to unfold very, very fast and very, very clearly, and we'll see it happening. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that and this is a request to all of you, there are a lot of people who are trying to kind of create negative energy. There are people who are saying bad things, good things, actually bad things about a lot of people. There are people who are saying bad things about anybody, like me or anybody else. I would request you guys to not get indulged into any kind of argument or fight with those people. You don't have to protect anybody. You don't have to say anything to get into a fight, because why they are doing this is their energy is already negative, okay, and they want to create more of the negative energy, because the negative energy you create by fighting with them, by giving them answers, or by trying to kind of say the right is right and they are wrong. You also get into that anger zone, and basically what you do is you make your energy negative, and that negative energy is going to give them further more strength. So don't give them strength. Let them say the things that they are going to say. End of the day, we are here only to fight for justice. We don't have to justify ourselves, okay? If I take out cards for Sushant, I don't make videos left, right, center. I don't even monetize videos, and it is only when Sushant wants it. And if we see from day one to now, there is always whatever Sushant has said in the videos has already come true. So we don't have to prove this to anybody. There is no point proving it to people who are not really in fight for justice. They are trying to protect some other people. They are trying to protect themselves. They're trying to earn money out of it. So there is nothing that you can do by arguing with them, because they are not going to understand it. So don't pay any attention to them. Don't pay any attention to troll. Yes, there are a lot of people who want to divide and rule, who want to create this feeling of struggle, stress for us, so that we stop fighting. They want to close us. They want they will keep kind of poking us, because they're getting money for that. Okay, they are earning because of that. There is a lot of them are kind of getting things out of the box, and anybody who will try to kind of truly fight for justice, anybody who will try to say the right things, anybody who will try to give you the messages from Sushant and be in the fight only, will be the motto for the person. They will try to poke that person, they will try to push that person to the wall to come out of the fight. Have you ever seen me responding? I don't respond. I only respond to people who I think that have a doubt, and I can give them some message to kind of clear that doubt. But when I know that, okay, these are just negative people creating negative energy, I just don't, I completely ignore them. I don't just respond. So don't respond, guys, okay? Make your energy positive, pray for Sushant, fight for justice. We are very close to it. Next 7 days are going to bring in major changes, and by July, I think our fight is going to be over. Thank you so much. All the best.